Alright, this is part 2 forging my knife. So, in a couple minutes we're gonna take out the knife and I'm gonna start pounding it.
And what you're drawing it out, you're gonna start really drawing it out.
Yep.
Starting to take some shape from the handle and the blade.
Yep.
Alright, ready, bud?
Yep.
Like I said, right in there. There you go. Keep got her. Alright, stop. Now hit straight down right there. Get on that side. I'll lay it out there so your dad can look at it.
We got the general's shape down.
Starting to look like a knife.
Yep.
A little bit harder. Hit the same spot. Harder. Stop. Stop. Alright, stop. Now we'll do that end.
What all these keep grinding or?
Now we're gonna let it come down.
He's switching out anvils to. This helps it get it flat.
Yeah, this hand will have the flatter face on it than the round one. So you use this side, real light taps.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, just like
And this is just to get the blade flat.
Yeah. Up. Up. In here. Back up. A little bit more. Same area. Up. Good there.
and it's flat. Dang, that thing is very.
Two more heats. Including this one.
Coming back out of the forge, he's working on getting her flat.
Stop. Span across and right up, start right up my dog and then work your way out. Stop. Stop.
That's straight.
Not too bad. Let me see your hammer real quick.
Alright. Here you go.
The last thing we'll do is brush it, and that's going to get rid of a lot of that scale.
Alright. I lost it. Really far.
You do the same thing. I'll be holding it here, and you just. Put pressure on it. There you go. Stop. Stop. Okay, we're good. Yeah, there she is.
So what do you do now? I mean,
Well, we're gonna let it cool down, and then we'll grind the profile into it a little bit better. And handle scales that he wants on it.
Awesome.
Hard part's over now.
Yep, we'll be back for part 3.
Alright.
Alright, we're back. And I'm picking out my handle. And here's the knife.
Now you still got to grind on it,
Yep.
but the next step is he's going to pick the handle material out.
I'm gonna pick out this one right here.
Okay, what exactly is that?
This is black burlap.
Yeah. Black burlap micarta.
Alright.
So we got some other ones here that that he was just looking at. What is this, like a burl with stabilized burl, or?
Yep, that's maple burl with resin in it, stabilized. It's stabilized curly maple. It's been dyed. That's just regular maple burl there. That's crown maley burl. A bit more maple burl. That's buckeye burl and resin. That's triple dyed maple burl. That's been stabilized. Some more maple burl. And more maple burl.
Okay,
That
so,
was really cool.
so he's going to go with the black burlap, micarta. So we'll come back when. What's the next step, Bill?
We're gonna grind it next.
You're going to start grinding, and
Yep.
it's going to look completely different.
Yep.
All right.
So I'll see you then.
Alright, here we go. Keep going, folks. Now get the water.
Cool.
Alright, we're back and we try to drill it. It's way too hard. And then we're gonna anneal it, and so, yeah. Like, it didn't even get a dent in it. Barely.
So he got the knife back in the forge for, it was too hard, so he's going to have to anneal it. So all he's going to do is he's going to get that knife up to temp.
Then
Then
we'll put it.
Then we're going to bring it over here,
It is.
and he's going to cool it down in that vermiculite. And what that will do is that'll make the steel softer,
Or we can actually drill through it.
so we could actually drill through it. So,
We'll let that heat up and we'll drop it in. Get back to you after that.
yep.